This video will show you how to add a content item and an image or a picture. Click on Add New Content Item. Fill in the boxes at the top here. A title, we'll call this Wind Energy. We'll put this in our news section and in the latest news category. Now I have already copied some text, so I'll simply right click in here and choose Paste. Save as typing, and now we come to the point where we want to add our image. We simply choose where in the article we'd like the image to appear or begin, and I'm going to choose the beginning of the second paragraph. This will mean that there'll be some text at the top, then this text will have an image next to it, and the rest of the text will wrap around that image. So I put my cursor at the beginning of where I want the image to appear, click on this button here that looks like a photo, Insert Edit Image, and that will open a new window called the Image Manager. This will show us all of the images that are currently on the hard drive or on the server. These are available to us. I'll scroll down to the bottom of that list. I'm going to choose this image here called Wind Farm. Okay, it's a photo of a windmill. It shows us a preview over here on the right. At the top of the page you have all the different bits and pieces of that image. You can change the dimensions. I recommend that you leave the dimensions the same or get the image roughly the right size before you upload it to the server, so that you're not making a huge image down to a very small size. You can also choose how it aligns itself. At the moment it's on the left, but I'm going to put it onto the right, and you'll see that at the top here it shows you roughly what that will look like. These space amounts are how many pixels or how many little dots of your screen between where the words will be and the image. So if I made that 10, it'll put a slightly bigger space around my image. You can choose a border. So just for effect, to show you, I'm going to choose a 1 pixel wide border, which is a very thin border, and I can choose a color by clicking on this color bar. Let's choose red just to make a point. When I'm completely finished, I've made all those things the way I want them, I come down the bottom here and click Insert, and it will take me back to my content item, and what you can see is that I've got exactly what I asked for. The image starts at the level with the top of the second paragraph. It has a border which has a little space around it because I made that space a little larger, and it's inserted the image with the text wrapping around it. Simply go up to the top of your page and click Save, and you've added some new content to the website. I'll go to the website here by clicking on this tab, and as you can see I had nothing in my latest news category, but if I now refresh the page, hopefully you will see the new content item appear, as will all the public. So now our website has just had a new content item added to it, which you did in a few seconds.